Hi everyone, it's Hannah, and for this video I'll be showing you how to get these easy, realistic slime nails. First, apply a base coat. This one is actually a ridge filler as well, so it works great to even out the nail bed. Now apply a purple polish for the base color. Next, add one layer of a glossy top coat. This creates a really smooth surface, which allows you to get the best matte finish. Let dry and then of course apply your matte top coat. I let it flood the cuticles just a little to make sure it covers the whole nail, and then I wipe off the excess. Take a bright green shade and dotting tool to add a few dots at different lengths. For the drips, you want the polish to be a little thick, so apply it to some foil and wait for it to dry just a tad. Then once you see it thickening slightly, add it to the dot, then drag to create the drip shape. Next, connect each drip with a curved line and fill in the rest of the area. If you'd prefer the more smooth look, you can add a layer of top coat over the drips, but I'm going for the realistic slime look, so I'll be adding another layer of green to random parts of the drip. This will create the dimension I'm looking for. So that's all you have to do to get these fun slime nails. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching and happy Halloween!